Okay guys, I want to show you how to put this adapter on. Your grill may vary a little bit. This is the Acorn Kamada. All you do is take this screw out, slide this damper out, and slide the adapter from BBQ Guru in. So let me get this screw out. Slide that out and take this adapter and slide it into place. Just like so. And just put your screw back in and you're all set. Tighten that baby back up. Okay, and that's all there is to putting your adapter in. Then your pit viper or your blower will just plug into that. So we're going to go ahead and get this grill fired up and check this DigiQ out and see how it's going to perform. Okay guys, got the grill lit, got the diffuser in, and the pit probe is right here, clipped to the grate, and as you can see the pit viper is plugged in, and I got the pit probe plugged in, and we got the controller powered up, and it's showing a pit temperature of 93. And I have the set temperature set to 240. So I'm going to be shutting the lid here and see how it does. Hopefully it gets around 240 and starts controlling from there. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but there's a little blinking LED between the 9 and the 3, which indicates that the blower is on. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this lid now and pause the recording and come back and see how it's doing. Okay guys, as you can see we're getting close to our set temp. Set temp is 240, and both of them are reading about the same, 226, 227. And on the DigiQ, as you can see, the blower is off right now. There, it's on. The little dot that lights up, as it gets closer to temperature, it just pulsates and blows a little puff of air until it gets up to temperature. So let's let it climb and see where it stops. Okay guys, it's only been a couple more minutes. As you can see, the DigiQ is reading 240, and the other temperature meter is 239. That jumped up to 241 there. DigiQ is still at 240 and blower is off, so let's see if it stays there and maintains. Okay guys, on the DigiQ, we did overshoot a little bit. It went up to 250, but there's a little bit of a learning curve on that damper on that DigiQ DX2. I started out with like a third open, and I finished up, even closed down a little further than that. These Kamadas are so efficient and require very, very little air. So there's a little bit of learning curve there on the damper on the DigiQ, but once you get that, I think it's going to be smooth sailing. It's back down to 240 now, and it's maintained that temperature for quite some time now. If you own one of these, leave some comments. Let us know how it's working out for you, and you know, maybe that'll help somebody else that's thinking about buying one. So guys, be sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. We're going to be having a lot of good stuff on here. We're going to be doing some good cooks and maybe some more reviews and whatnot. As far as the DigiQ goes, check out the comment section underneath the video. I'm going to put a link on there, and you can go there and check out the prices and see if your grill's on there, and check out the rest of their goodies. I mean, they got a lot of stuff on there, guys, and it's all good, and their customer service is second to none. So guys, like I say, hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.